Hi, this is Ken from ThemeParkAccess, and we're at WestCoast Racers at Six Flags Magic Mountain. I'm here with
Corey from Park Junkie.
And we're about to race the yellow train here in just a second. We'll do a high five, 4 inversions at 55 miles an hour. Here we go.
Yeah!
There's the high five. 1 inversion. Here's the second launch. Let's see if we won. We won. They're way back there. Wow. So we just beat the yellow train, and now we're going to pull in for a pit stop real quick.
Okay, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that run, but the next one is even going to be more epic. Right now, the West Coast crew is below you, working on your ride. Matter of fact, let me check.
So the pit crew's working on our train right now. We're going to be racing the red train next.
Yeah, the red train
Yeah.
should be racing them, yeah.
This will be the 3rd launch, and there's one more. This ride has 4 launches.
It's go time.
There we go. Are you all by yourself? He thinks he's tough. He doesn't have to bring friends to race with. So we're going to launch in just a second. As soon as we lock in here. Here we go. And here's the 4th launch. Woohoo! Oh, we're gaining on him. And we won by a long shot.
We won both the races.
So there you go, West Coast Racers, Six Flags Magic Mountain. Be sure to come out and ride. Great ride. 55 miles an hour, 4 inversions, and a high five. Yeah, what'd you think?
I love it.
You love it? How many
Yeah.
times have you been on it today?
Over 20.
So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, hit the bell, get your notifications when I post things. Thank you. Thanks again for following and subscribing.